Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the invisible half double crochet decrease. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the half double crochet stitch, be familiar with the half double crochet decrease, and know how to work in the front loops. I have videos on all of these and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I used regular half double crochet stitches, and on the row that I'm currently working, I have made 2 chains. So into this first stitch right here, I'm going to work a regular half double crochet to get started. Alright, I'm ready to make my first invisible decrease. Yarn over your hook one time. You're going to be working into this next stitch and the one after that, so these two right here. And you're only going to be working into the front loops of them. So to begin your invisible decrease, you're going to insert your hook into this first stitch, but only going to the front loop. You're going to go from the front to the back in that loop. So it's going to look like this. Then you're going to insert your hook into the next stitch into the front loop, but from the back to the front. So it should look like this. There's going to be a little X over your hook. You're going to yarn over and you're going to bring that through those two. Then yarn over and you're going to finish this just like a regular half double. You're going to take that through all the loops on your hook. So that's how that is going to look. So you can see we've brought those 2 stitches together, which is going to be the decrease. It is going to be considered an invisible decrease because it's going to leave less of a gap like a regular decrease does when bringing those stitches together. I'm going to work a regular half double into my next stitch. Alright, I'm going to start with the yarn over for my next invisible decrease. Insert your hook into the next stitch from the front to the back, only into that front loop. Insert your hook into the front loop of the next stitch from the back to the front, so it's going to be poking out of the front of your work. Yarn over, take that through both of those loops. Yarn over, take that through all 3 loops left on your hook. Another invisible half double crochet decrease made. I'm going to make a regular half double into my next stitch. Again, start with 1 yarn over on your hook, insert your hook into the next stitch from the front to the back, only in that front loop. Then insert your hook into the next stitch from the back to the front, only using that front loop. Yarn over your hook, bring that yarn through those first 2 loops. Yarn over, take that through all 3 loops on your hook to complete that invisible half double crochet decrease. I'm going to make a regular half double in this stitch. Start with a yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, only into that front loop going from the front to the back. Insert your hook into the next stitch going from the back to the front, only into that front loop. Yarn over, take that through both loops. Yarn over, take that through all 3 loops left. I'm going to repeat this for the rest of I'm going to work a regular half double crochet into the last stitch of my row. So that's how those invisible half double crochet decreases are looking next to my regular half double crochets. So if we look at this row, you can see that it is starting to come in on itself, and that's because those decreases are bringing those stitches together. So that is going to be how to make the invisible half double crochet decrease. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.